How to fix Creative Cloud app trial has expired message in Windows 10 and Mac. If you can't use your Creative Cloud app due to the above message window, try the following tips. 1. Install any new updates for your Creative Cloud app. 2. Log out and log in your Adobe Creative Cloud later. 3. Google, download then run Adobe Limited Access Repair Tool for Windows, as admin. 4. Delete Adobe-related items from Windows hosts at c:/Windows/System32/drivers/ etc. manually. Moreover, see the following. Troubleshooting post on Adobe site. For more help, https://helpx.adobe.com/x-product-kb/policy-pricing/activation-network-issues.html. Errors when signing in, activating, or starting Adobe apps or services.